Vigini here again. Yeah? You know what? I have a fun activity with me. So let's go see what it is.
Okay, now we are going to do letter sounds. First of all, let's revise all the letter sounds we did. A, O, S, T, I, and L. Okay, let's start our guessing game. So this is what we have to do. When we see the letter sound, my friends are going to think for an object or an animal that starts with that letter sound. So shall we start? Here we go.
Okay, now I'm going to start, friends. Uh, what is this letter sound, friends? It's the letter sound A. The letter sound A. So let's think of an object or an animal that start with the letter sound A. Mm, I remember ant. Ant. Yes, the word ant begins with the letter sound A. So, shall we sing a song for the letter sound A? Okay. And so my arms, and so my arms, and so my arms, they're causing me alarm. Ouch! Okay, let's roll the dice again. What is the letter sound we got this time, friends? It's the letter sound O. The letter sound O. O. Now let's think of an object or an animal that begins with the letter sound O. I remember orange. O for orange. Yes, the word orange begins with the letter sound O. Yes. Now, shall we sing a song for the letter sound O? Okay. Now we start, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Now, let's roll the dice again. What is this letter sound, friends? Yes, it's the letter sound K. The letter sound K. Let's think of a word that begins with the letter sound K. K for... So, what do we use to brush our hair, friends? Yes, comb. K for comb. K for comb. Now, shall we sing a song for the letter sound K? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Okay, now let's roll the dice again. Let's see what the letter we will get. Okay, here we go. Oh, what's this letter sound, friends? It's the letter sound T. The letter sound T. Now, shall we think of an object or an animal that begins with the letter sound T? Okay, let's see. Oh, I know. T for towel. T for towel. The word towel begins with the letter sound T. Yes. Now, shall we sing the song for the letter sound T? Okay, here we go.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Okay, let's roll the dice again. Oh, what is this letter sound, friends? Who can remember this letter sound? It's the letter sound S. The letter sound S. Now let's think of an word that begins with the letter sound S. For how about star? S for star. S. Star. Yes, the word star begins with the letter sound S. Now let's think of another word. How about soap? Let's see. S for soap. S. Soap. Yes, the word soap also begins with the letter sound S. Yes. Now let's sing the song for the letter sound S. Here we go.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
So I hope you all enjoyed my activity. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.